Today's topic is to convert the byte array to the hexadecimal string. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is a basic approach, and the method 2 by using an binary ASCII dot hexlify method. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. So first we are going to initialize our list, and after that we are going to use a join and a format method over here. So what we're doing is we are going to go through each and every element into our list, and after that we are formatting that element into the hexadecimal, and we are joining that element with a comma and the space, and we're storing them into the string number 1, and we have them as an output. As you can see it over here, we have converted 123 into the hexadecimal, and we get to the 70b as an output, 23 as 17, 12 as 0c, and 2 as 02.